Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see old Google Maps Street View. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up Google in your web browser and type in Maps. Click on the first result to open Maps. Once you're on Google Maps, search for any location you want to explore. For example, you can type in Los Angeles and press Enter. After the map loads, select the specific area or neighborhood. Now go to the bottom right corner and drag the yellow Street View icon onto any street you want to explore. Once Street View opens, you can look around and move up and down the street just like normal. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see the date when that Street View image was captured. Click on that date. In some locations, you won't be able to go back in time, but in many places, you'll see an option that says See More Dates. Click on it, and a timeline of older Street View images will appear. From here, you can scroll through different years and select any available date. Some locations go back as far as 2011 or even older. When you click on an older date, Google Maps will show you what that street looked like during that time, including older cars, buildings, and overall changes in the area. You can switch between dates anytime to compare how the location has changed over the years. And that's it. So that's basically how you can see old Google Maps Street View. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.